South Africa contains a wide range of climates and vegetation types due to its complex and unique geography. Understanding climate, weather, and vegetation and how they work together is important for explaining why specific biomes form where they do. This video will define these concepts and explore the relationship through 5 South African regional case studies, being the Fynbos, Savannah, and Karoo biomes, as well as the grassland biome and the Indian Ocean coastal belt. What is climate? Climate refers to the long-term weather patterns of an area, typically measured over 30 years or more. It includes trends in temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind. Weather is the short-term conditions at a specific time and place. It can change daily or even hourly, such as temperature shifts, storms, or cold fronts. Vegetation. Vegetation refers to the plant life of an area, including dominant plant types, species composition, and ecological structure. It is shaped by climate and in turn influences local weather patterns. How they influence one another. Climate influences vegetation by determining what plants can survive. Rainfall affects water availability, temperature controls growth patterns, and wind or frost limits species distribution. Weather influences vegetation more immediately through droughts, storms, and daily temperature variations. Vegetation influences climate and weather by affecting evaporation, local humidity, ground temperature, and fire patterns. Regional case studies in South Africa. The Fynbos biome. Climate characteristics are a Mediterranean climate, cool, wet winters, and hot, dry summers, a rainfall of 300 to 2000 millimeters per year, and frequent summer droughts and episodic berg wind events. Its vegetation characteristics are dominated by fynbos shrubs, proteas, and a very high biodiversity. It has adapted to nutrient-poor soils and regular fire cycles. Climate-vegetation interaction. Its winter rainfall supports growth and summer droughts restricts tree development. The savanna biome. Its climate characteristics are a summer rainfall region, warm to hot temperatures year-round, an average rainfall of 400 to 900 millimeters, and has distinct wet and dry seasons. Its vegetation characteristics are a grass layer with scattered trees, a fire and grazing ecological drivers. Climate-vegetation interaction. Seasonal rainfall promotes rapid grass growth in summer. Long dry seasons increase wildlife frequency and high temperatures and summer thunderstorms occur. The Karoo. Its climate characteristics are arid to semi-arid weather, 100 to 450 millimeters of rainfall annually, large temperature ranges with hot days and cold nights. Its vegetation characteristics include succulents and hardy grasses, sparse vegetation adapted to water scarcity. Its climate-vegetation interaction. Its low rainfall limits plant size and density. Drought-resistant plants store water, and sparse vegetation enhances temperature and extreme soil erosion. The grassland biome's characteristics are the summer rainfall with moderate temperatures with cold frosty winters, 600 to 1200 millimeters annually. Frequent summer thunderstorms. Vegetation characteristics include dominated by perennial grasses, very few trees due to frost, fire, and seasonal waterlogging. Its climate-vegetation interactions include regular summer rain, which sustains tall grasses, severe winter frosts, which restricts tree growth, and grassland fires, which recycle nutrients and prevent bush encroachment. The Indian Ocean coastal belt has subtropical climate with warm and humid year-round temperatures, an average rainfall of 800 to 1500 millimeters annually, which occurs mostly in summer. It is influenced by the warm Agulhas current, and its vegetation characteristics include coastal forests, dune thickets, grasslands, and subtropical shrublands. It has a very high species diversity and dense plant cover. Its climate-vegetation interaction include warm ocean currents, raise humidity, and promote lush evergreen vegetation. Its dense forests moderate local temperature and humidity, while vegetation stabilizes dunes and reduces coastal erosion during storm events. In conclusion, climate, weather, and vegetation are tightly interconnected. Long-term climate patterns determine what vegetation types can thrive in a region, while short-term weather affects daily plant functioning and ecological disturbances such as fire and drought. In turn, vegetation influences local climate by regulating temperatures, moisture, and disturbance cycles. The diversity of South Africa's climates, from Mediterranean conditions in the Western Cape to arid dry deserts in the Karoo and humid subtropics along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, give rise to a remarkable variety of vegetation types. The 5 case studies demonstrate how regional climate and weather patterns shape the character of each biome, creating the rich ecological mosaic that defines South Africa.